5 chefs, 5 ways, Thanksgiving leftovers. Today we're gonna do something special with our leftovers. We're gonna upcycle our food, recycle our leftovers. Pretty good. 5 chefs, 5 ways, Thanksgiving leftovers. Let's get after it.
So I grabbed the vegetarian ham. I'm gonna use that in replacement for the Spam and the pineapple. I'm gonna make some Musubi. I've never made Musubi before, so I'm just kinda going for it.
My dish today is inspired by croquettes. Croquettes are potato-based, and everybody always has leftover mashed potatoes, so why not start with that? In France, typically you'll find a bechamel as a binder for the croquette. So instead of the bechamel, I'm gonna be using a gravy as the binder. Winging it, don't have a recipe, see if it works out.
For me, the big one I always see every year is shit tons of stuffing. Everybody's got tons of different types of stuffing. This year it's like mega sausage stuffing or whatever you're making. I'm gonna take stuffing and I'm gonna turn it into a souffle.
So I heard you say you're gonna fancify it. How are you,
It's a fucking souffle.
What ingredients did you find to make it extra?
I'm gonna go from this to a souffle. How much more fancy could it not be? What do you want, caviar? I'm gonna techniqueify it into fancy, not just buy my way into fancy. Come on, I'm gonna earn it. I don't know what I'm doing exactly yet.
Okay, I decided to, oh my God, my turkey is missing. Nick, you're so bad. I'm going to be doing butter masala turkey curry. All the flavorful pieces of turkey is eaten on the day of Thanksgiving. So I decided to go on a flavor punch.
Who do you want to outshine today?
The boys.
All of us.
All the boys.
Since I had to make all of those leftovers and I didn't want to cook anymore, I am making a milkshake with pies. It's like a milkshake a la mode.
Trying to make this fit the mold. Give it a sear. Sushi grade rice. I'm gonna make a pineapple chili rice, a sweet potato rice, and a pumpkin rice.
I'm gonna take this kind of souffle base that we have that's on our pot pie. It's like a potato souffle. Here's my base, except I'm gonna swap out the roux and the potato for stuffing. We'll do a little bit of egg white, start to soften it up.
I am going to reserve some of my crusts because I want little crumbles on the top of the milkshake, you know, blizzard style, a little bit of chunks.
Are they gonna bring the boys to the yard?
No.
I'm most excited to try Anjana's. I don't know what the texture is gonna be like, but I know it's gonna be the most flavorful.
Adding all the aromatics, green chili, some spices, ginger, garlic into my onions, which I'm sauteing right now.
I think the perfect amount of pie to milkshake is probably about this much. We might need to add more pie. We'll see.
This is so embarrassing. Don't judge me, please.
It's good for me. Okay, so I've never done this before. It's a pineapple rice. Maybe this one's a little bit bigger. Let the ingredient shine on its own. And then just like with Italian food, it's like very simple things are at their basic, very delicious.
Sure, I've got enough to go around. I think I should top them all smooth, probably, huh? Usually with these souffle, I'd have enough and I go clean off the top. I just kind of like randomly threw this together with molds I haven't used yet. Ta-da! Shall we? Cue!
Competition peeking at me.
That's pretty good. It also needs more pie.
So they're browning too fast. So the color is gonna be good, but the inside's gonna be undercooked. So I think I'm gonna have to pop these in the oven for a little bit.
So they should start to like set around the edge like a souffle, and they don't really puff that much until kind of the middle end anyway. So they're starting to set, and they should start to rise the next couple minutes.
And I'm almost done.
That's all I'm making. I got the goodies for more, but all that good.
They're gonna be delicious.
Who wants to eat or drink your pie?
I'm gonna leave it. Okay, I'm gonna walk away.
I'm almost there.
Oh, good. I love it. The texture is almost spot on.
Yeah.
That's really good. There you have it. 5 chefs, 5 fun things you can do with your Thanksgiving leftovers this year. Thank you and happy holidays.